For years, we've talked about how we needed a place where we could do our training.
A vision becoming a reality.
Because we really believe that that is where you grow and you learn.
The two connected buildings total nearly 60,000 square feet and include a wide variety of training opportunities.
The list is long. Really, the imagination is your only limitation.
Training that strives to prepare everyone for any situation imaginable.
We have training rooms. They're furnished with things that make them look just like apartments. So we could have an officer responding into a domestic disturbance. We could have the dispatcher call center working right there, taking the call, dispatching the officer, doing all the computer stuff while the officer drives in their patrol car into the warehouse area.
Under an agreement reached last summer, the University of Missouri's Law Enforcement Training Institute will relocate its academy operations to this new center.
And we knew that we would be great partners, we would be able to work through this and do a great job with it. And so we ultimately said yes.
But they're not the only ones joining in.
Chiefs and sheriffs from all over mid-Missouri that are excited. They've committed to sending their people here.
Their people plus their families.
It's just going to be phenomenal for recruiting and retention.
The new training center will feature an on-site child care center set to open by this coming summer.
They have the ability to just really relax by knowing that their child is safe.
A simple goal.
It's for the public.
To be better.
The better we are, the better we can serve the public, the better the public's going to be as far as their experience with law enforcement and having the faith and trust in law enforcement, not just here in Boone County, but all around mid-Missouri.
Charlotte Cicero, KMU8 News, Columbia.